This lecture of digital image processing will elaborate the concept of noise models that we already discussed in the previous lecture. The main focus in this where these noise models are to be applicable. So the first model we discussed, the Gaussian noise model, which is used for the electronic circuit noise and the sensor noise. Why it is to be used here? Due to the pure illumination and of course for the high temperature. Second one, we discussed the Rayleigh density or the Rayleigh noise model, which is used for the characterize the noise phenomena in range imaging. Third one is the exponential and the gamma model, which is for used in the laser imaging processes. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल सिटी स्कैन्स में जहाँ रिज़ल्ट किसी भी डॉक्टरी फील्ड में जब भी कोई स्कैन करवाते हैं, जहाँ हार्ट स्कैनिंग होती है, उसमें जो नॉइज़ होती है उसको रिमूव करके जो मेन एक्सटेंट है, जो मेन प्रॉब्लम है उसे शो करने के लिए. So the next is the impulsive noise, which is occur when the quick transients take place during the imaging, that are the faulty switches. And last one is the uniform density, the least descriptive for the practical situation, which is leastly used for the practical users. So there are some we can say that these are some of the applications of these noise models. So next we have one example when we are applying these models. So if we have this is simple example of this pattern. By applying the various noise model, we get the different histogram graphs. The histogram equalization or the histogram of these images looks like this. In the Gaussian, we get the image like this. In the ray, we have the histogram of this image is like this. For the gamma, we get this image. For exponent, we get this like this uniform, and the salt pepper, which is the impulsive noise. So with these different values, how we get the noise is present in these images. So for that purpose, we are selecting some part of the image. By selecting the part of the image, we get the histogram of that part, by which we get some of the values and we estimate that either the noise is present or not. So the image restoration in the presence of noise only, then अगर उसमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ noise ही present है, then what are the main equations which has to be used? That is gx comma y is equals to, that is the degraded image is equals to fx comma y plus eta x comma y, that is the additive noise. In case of only, if only the noise is present. In the previously we discussed the degradation and the restoration process. In both cases we get the spatial and the frequency, the main equation here, where the equations are like gx comma y is equal to fx comma y into h, that is the degraded function, x comma y plus the additive noise. But in case of only the noise is present, then we get the equation, then the degraded function is not included here. Similarly, in case of the frequency domain, we get the equation like this: g u comma b is equals to the, for the input image, f u comma b plus capital N u comma b, that is the eta u comma b, or the additive image. So for the spatial filtering, we have some of the choices when the additive noise is present or not. For removing the noise, we include the order static filters and the additive filters. Order static filters like min max median, and additive filters like the additive mean filter. So these are some of the filters in which cases only the additive noise is present. So for that purpose, we have the different filters, which are the min max filter, median filter, additive median filter, that we discuss further.